Recent breakthroughs in deep neural networks have led to a new generation of AI that can be trained to generate original content. What are the capabilities of such software systems in coming up with creative, surprising, or inspiring content? How do we as humans shape the networks and their results? In summer 2020, we wish to explore these questions in a summer course as part of the MA program in Human Technology Interaction in the Interdisciplinary Center Herzliya. 32 students took part in the course. 10 of them had programming experience, and the rest came from a diverse background of social science and design with very little programming experience. The final assignment was to prepare a new image dataset and train a generative adversarial neural network, or GAN, to come up with new images in the spirit of this X does not exist. The students could opt to work with either Runway ML, a friendly system for non-programmers, or work by modifying simplified Colab notebooks. The students learned scraping data from the internet and the importance of homogeneous and clean datasets, sometimes using data augmentation. They learned that getting clean results with DCGAN is possible but not easy, whereas StyleGAN 2 almost always does the trick. The students also learned to analyze generator and discriminator loss. Some of the projects had a more conceptual contribution. For example, the project This Holocaust Victim Does Not Exist pays tribute to the millions of Holocaust victims, for many of which there are no existing images, taking advantage of GAN's remarkable abilities to generate realistic faces. One of the projects first generated imaginary butterflies and then tried to further shape, coming up with fractal butterflies or butterflies with tiger stripes using fine-tuning, thus shaping the networks. In another project, which is also a tribute to the nature-techno divide, networks learned to merge living organisms with electronic devices, coming up with cyborg creatures. Our favorites are the toaster cats and the KitchenAid horses. Additional projects included ancient human head statues or protomes, Yayoi Kusama pumpkins, Gaudi-style architecture, new McDonald's toys, new Simpson characters, imaginary new Disney characters, imaginary politicians, applications, icons, and more. These questions of how designers and creative people in general work with AI without being able to explicitly program them, these questions are central to the near and especially medium and far future, where our relationships with AI become increasingly more intimate.